For my first DIY, I'm going to make this cute Valentine's Day Mickey Mouse inspired garland. You will need foam sheets or cardstock, some twine or ribbon. The twine is from Dollar Tree. The ribbon is from Target Bullseye's Playground for just $1. These color your own ornament in the Valentine shape came from Dollar Tree, and some wooden beads, which you can find at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This glue stick, as well as some scissors. First, we'll start with the twine. Measure out your twine or string or ribbon to the length that you want your garland to be, and then double it and fold it over. You're going to string that through your ornament into this little kind of knot where you've got both pieces together. Then string on your beads. When you've gotten to the length that you like, just make a little knot at the end, leaving some wiggle room for those beads to move around. You don't want it to be too tight or they won't drape over anything nicely. Next, you're going to want to make a tassel. You'll take your twine and wrap it around your fingers to get the thickness that you want your tassel to be. Holding that loop end, you're just going to simply tie that onto the end of your garland. Make this a nice, good, snug double knot. Take a bit of your twine and tie the tassel towards the top to give it that little tassel-y look. Holding that loop open, you're just going to put your scissors in there and snip it so you have all of those long tassel strings, and then you'll just want to pull them all together and clean them up by snipping off the ends. Next, we're going to make this the cutest Mickey Mouse inspired garland by adding a Mickey shape. You'll just want to take your glue stick, put plenty of glue on, and stick it on. This holds really, really well. Making a Mickey shape is pretty easy. You're just going to want to find round items that you can trace of different sizes and kind of eyeball it to where you think it looks like a Mickey shape. The next project we're going to make is this cute little love sign. This is so simple and so inexpensive, but really, really cute. You're going to need some Jenga pieces. These are actually tumbling tower pieces from the Dollar Tree. Some white paint. You can get the Dollar Tree white paint. This is some white chalk paint. This is just what I had on hand. The Crafter Square has paintbrushes. That is from Dollar Tree. Some Sharpie or permanent markers. Some twine from the Dollar Tree. These cute Mickey and Minnie buttons are from Hobby Lobby. You can also find them from Michael's. You'll need your scissors, a glue gun. I use a low temp glue gun. It works perfectly and it doesn't burn my fingers that bad. What you're going to want to do is just add a line of hot glue to the end of these Jenga blocks and stick them together, making sure that they are as even as possible so it will stand up nicely. Next, you're going to want to paint this with your white paint, making sure to paint all of the edges so that it'll look cute from all sides. So I wanted to try something a little bit different and keep that kind of natural wood look to blend in with that Garland. I've never really tried this before. It did not work out well. The color just bled, the Sharpie just bled out and kept bleeding out, and no matter what I did to fix it, it just did not work out. So on one side of this cute little sign, I'm going to make it a little bit cursive-y and a little bit sweet with a hidden Mickey. And on the other side, I decided to do it a little more Farmhouse, Ray Dunn inspired with the tall letters. Next, you'll just add a dab of hot glue, wrap the twine around, and add a little more hot glue, and put on some embellishment. On the side with the hidden Mickey, I decided to add a little heart, and on the Ray Dunn Farmhouse side, I added the Mickey. So I'm going to try this again. I added a thin coat of Mod Podge to these Jenga pieces, these tower pieces. Used the Sharpie and it worked perfectly. My next craft is this cute little shadow box Valentine decor piece. You can pick up many different kinds of shadow boxes at the Dollar Tree. These are some examples of things you might try to find. They always have these. They might have different pictures on the front or holidays or seasons, but you really can just paint them with some black paint and it's perfect. You'll want some scrapbook paper. I get mine at Hobby Lobby for $1. This cute little Mickey shaped stamp is from Hobby Lobby. I don't know if they sell it anymore, but I'm sure you can probably find it on Amazon. If not, you can always print out some Mickey shaped heads from Google or just cut your own. You'll want some hearts or just one heart, a hot glue gun, and an Elmer's school glue stick. I decided to use this Girl You're Awesome sign from Dollar Tree, and all I did was pop off that cute little sign in the middle and saved it for later. I'm going to use it for something else. Popping these little Mickey confetti was so much fun. I want to do that all day. Like I said, if you don't have this stamp, you can just cut out some Mickey shapes. Choosing a background is up to you, whatever color you'd like to go with, and just trace out your box, cut it out, and glue it in with your glue stick. I decided to start with the heart in the middle and just work around it. I thought this looked so cute with just the two Mickeys and the heart in between. It was very minimalistic and adorable, but I decided to go ahead and do all of the Mickeys for my decor piece. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh my god! The last craft I have in this video is so easy and so inexpensive, and actually my favorite one of the whole video. This little wooden house came from Michael's. It was just $1. I'm using the same twine, the same glue stick, and the same Mickey buttons. I painted the sides of the house white, but you don't have to do that if you want the more natural look. All you're going to do is simply trace out that house shape with your scrapbook paper, glue it on with your Elmer's glue, push it down really good, and cut off the excess. If you want this to be cute from both sides, you'll want to put on scrapbook paper on both sides of this house. The next thing I did was just string on that button, wrap that twine around several times to where it looked how I wanted it to, and tied it. This is my favorite one. I think it's so sweet. That's all for this video. I hope you felt inspired to go out and create something. I know that I had so much fun filming this and making these crafts, and I actually use these as decor in my house. I hope you'll check back next time and maybe you'll see something else you like. Have fun crafting. Thanks so much for watching.